how to fix an extended error has occurred on Windows 10 and 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix an extended error has occurred on Windows 10 and 11. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, you need to head over to your search over here. From here, you need to go ahead and find Windows PowerShell, right click on it, and then you need to click on Run as Administrator. Once you have done that, you need to simply go ahead and paste this command over here, and once you have done, you need to hit enter. Now, you need to simply go ahead and type Y over here, and then you need to press enter again. Now you can try opening the shared folder, and this might help you solve the issue. But if the trick does not work, you can simply close the PowerShell, and then you need to head over to your start option over here. From here you can click on the power icon, and then you can click on restart. This might help you solve the error as well. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.